Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export your Weebly website. This is incredibly useful if you want to create a backup of your site's design or move your theme to another project. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites and settings. Now take a look at the left-hand menu on your screen. You'll see an option labeled Websites. Click on it to view all the websites associated with your account. Once you're in the Websites section, locate and click on Edit Site. This will show you a list of all your active websites. From this list, choose the specific website you want to export. After selecting it, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Go ahead and click that button to open your site in the editor. This is where all the magic happens for customizing and managing your site's design and content. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top menu bar. You'll notice several options there, and what you're looking for is the one labeled Theme. Click on Theme to access all the design and layout settings for your website. This section controls how your entire site looks and feels. In the theme settings, navigate to the lower left corner of your screen. Here you'll find an option that says Edit HTML CSS. Click on this option to access the underlying code of your theme. This feature gives you direct access to the structural elements that make up your site's design. Finally, while still in the HTML CSS editor, look again at the lower left corner where you'll see an option labeled Export Theme. Click on Export Theme and your Weebly website theme will begin downloading to your computer. This exported file contains all the design elements, custom code, and styling that make your site unique. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Weebly website theme, giving you a complete backup of your site's design that you can use for archiving, transferring, or recreating your site elsewhere. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.